Hello, my name is Israel Vaughn, and today the game that I decided to make is called Fruit Run. The overview of the game is to pick up every fruit in the level. Reach the end of the level with all fruit. Your challenges will be the timer, enemies, and potential traps like poisonous fruit. Your rewards, you get to beat the level, able to pick up weapons, health bar increases. Consequences is unable to beat the level, and you have to respond to the beginning of the level with 0 fruit. Things to know about the game. Pretty self-explanatory. You get your main character as a little black icon there. The enemy is the blue squiggly face character. Your fruits would be the cherry, right? The apple. I'm sorry. Um, the block icon is the one that you have to jump over or jump onto in order to get to the fruit. And the weapon would be the orange little character there, and that would symbolize you. If the blue character tries to kill you, you're able to fight him off and kill him instead. But be careful though, the fruit that you grab, once you grab it, if this icon comes up, that means the fruit is poisonous and would cause hazard to your health bar. And this is basically the layout of the game. The poisonous fruit, it is hidden. The poisonous icon is hidden within the fruit. So be cautious of the fruit that you get. The platforms will be going back and forth. So this is a game of strategy and knowing when to hop on the boxes and when not to. Because if you fall to the bottom, you could get killed by one of the enemies, one of the blue squiggly icons. And once you pass all the platforms, you get to go to the next level. And yeah, that is it. Thank you.